Hey everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want you to come along with me as I clean our whole home for summer. So there's one trick that I'm using this summer to keep our home clean, or at least to help keep our home clean-ish, and that trick is to get my entire family to clean together. I know there are a lot of us moms who put so much pressure on ourselves to just clean up our homes ourselves, but that can get so overwhelming, right? We have so many things on our plates, and I think it is so important to get our kids involved, our significant others involved, and just to do it all together. Sometimes it's not all unicorns and rainbows to get this done. Like, I know our family sometimes is a little bit of a struggle and a fight to get cleaning done, but it's really worth it because it gets done quicker eventually after you help the kids get into that routine, and then you can enjoy more time together as a family. So that is my number one trick to keeping our house clean-ish this summer. So rather than you coming along with me as I clean the house just by myself, this time I'm going to do it more real life style and show you how our family cleans our home on a Saturday morning. I want to thank Miele for sponsoring this clean today. They sent me a really fabulous vacuum to try out. It's the Blizzard CX1, and this vacuum is amazing. I think it's the best vacuum I've ever had. It's a corded vacuum, which I wasn't so sure about to begin with because I've been using a cordless. However, it is 100% worth it. The power that I get with this vacuum compared to my old vacuum is not even close. The Miele, it picks up way more dust and dirt than my other vacuum did. So now let me show you our typical Saturday morning clean. Let's go.
So after supper every day, we kind of do a mini clean together as a family. And then on Saturday mornings, we all get together and just get a whole bunch of deep cleaning done. My husband included, which is awesome. And the kids just get age-appropriate chores. So little B is 4 years old. She can put dishes away no problem and do the dishwasher. All the kids get involved in cleaning up everything, so picking up all their toys and garbage and crafts and things off the floor. Our house can get very, very, very dirty and messy and just chaotic through the week. So it's definitely important for us to take this time on Saturdays so that it doesn't get just overwhelming. So the kids are just putting all their stuff away. And then, of course, I get involved too by cleaning off surfaces and doing things like that, and then sort of barking out orders as nicely as I can to the kids as they do their jobs as well. Sometimes I definitely need to micromanage to get them to do what needs to be done, but slowly and surely they're starting to learn how to clean up on themselves and taking initiative. And like I said, it isn't always unicorns and rainbows, but they're definitely learning how to be good at cleaning up. So little A loves our new vacuum the most so far. So I love it because it works really well on all of our area rugs as well as our hard laminate flooring. And it's also really easy for the kids to maneuver because you can really easily change the handle so it's up and down. The grip is really easy for the kids. So that's definitely another reason that we love this vacuum. It also has an edger and an upholstery attachment, so here's little A doing that as well, and she really enjoys cleaning our benches and our couches and all our upholstery, as well as our laminate flooring. And then on Saturday mornings, I get the kids to put away all their laundry, so we try to fold laundry together throughout the week when we can, and then their job is to make sure that it's put away. Here's my oldest, little C. She's cleaning the surfaces in the dining room, and then they each get to pick a bathroom to clean as well. And usually I go over this again after they do it, but I try to get them to do as good a job as they can, and then I do some of the bathroom cleaning as well. So that, in a quick little nutshell, is how we manage our big Saturday morning cleans. After everybody's cleaned up, they get to do tablet time or change an app on their tablet and then play outside. So we like to use those kind of positive reward systems for them, and that seems to work really well. I know it's different for every family, but for our family, those positive rewards after they clean up really, really works. So here's our house after we cleaned it on a Saturday morning, and it stays like this for approximately 1 hour. As you know, if you're a mom of multiple children or one child, I mean, they're all messy, and I mean, I think a house is meant to be lived in, so We enjoy cleaning together, and then we enjoy using our house to just live and relax in after that.
Thanks so much for watching this Clean With Me video, or rather this Clean With Us video. Let me know in the comments below how you clean your home with your family. What are your incentives for your kids to clean with you? How do you get everybody involved? I would love to hear your tips and tricks because I know every family is different, and I can always use tips and tricks on how to keep my kids and my husband motivated to clean with me. Thanks again to Miele for sponsoring this video, for sending us this vacuum. So far, we really love it, and I would definitely recommend trying it out. I'll leave a link to the vacuum in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you guys all again in my next video. Bye!